Here I have Suzuki Vitara, and let me show you how to use radio on the following car. So at the very beginning, all you need to do is find here the radio button from the home screen. This is the first button from the left side. And as you can see here, you can use your radio. So basically, on the right side, you've got the list of the radio stations. Here you can also use this menu button, these three lines to see all list of the radio stations. You can also refresh this list. Right now, the car is trying to find the new station list. The refreshing should take like 15-20 seconds. Let's just wait. Alright, here we've got a new list. Now let's go back. So as you can see, this is like your list. Here we can switch between stations. As you can see, you can move for the other frequencies. If you tap once, it will just move about 0.5 megahertz. But if you hold it for a while, it will move for the new radio station. You need to just hold it just for about 2 seconds. And as you can see, it is switching for the new radio station right now. Right now I'm using the Vox FM. So here you can also move between FM and AM if you would like to do this. Let me go back to FM. Here you can also use the settings, and you can use the radio settings. So here you can, for example, enable or disable the traffic announcement. You can also show the radio text, use the alternative frequency. It's quite useful features to change the frequency while you are driving to some stronger one. You can use the regional program to also look for some regional information. You can show the category filter, as you can see right now. So you can use, for example, all categories, or you can just disable the filters. You can also change some settings about the digital radios. As you can see here, you can show the digital radio extra information. You can use the linking between digital radio and FM, and between digital and digital radio. So here we've got a few interesting settings. You can also go back to change some sound settings. So here you can use the equalizer. You can change the balance of your speakers. Basically, you've got a few things that you can change it right here. But the main things are here in the radio screen. So as you can see here, you can choose your radio. The most important thing is to hold down for longer those arrows just to look for some radio stations. Let me do it again. And as you can see, that way you will look for a new radio station, or you can choose the radio station from the following list. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.